Today is one of those days that one is extra proud being a Nigerian. It's one of those days when your belief is affirmed that this is a country of world-class talent, world-class ideas, and world-class execution. So we're here at the Duchess International Hospital. By both medical and aesthetic standards, comparable to the best hospitals in the world. And its proprietors proudly and deservedly brag, and I quote, that the mission of the hospital is to reverse medical tourism by delivering the highest standards of care using the most advanced technology and treatments to give you the fastest, most convenient access to the best medical expertise available anywhere in the world. End of quote. And I concur. And I'm sure we all concur. There's good reason to do so. The hospital has serious bragging rights. It comes from the Reddington family, a clinical health brand that has earned a strong reputation for high standards in healthcare, top-notch international personnel, and many highly reputed Nigerian doctors in diaspora. And best of all, it's all Nigerian. So the opening of this state-of-the-art facility also celebrates some other facts. First is that we have all that it takes to become the place of choice for even medical tourists from developed countries looking to jump long queues for specialized procedures at home, or simply shopping for more affordable fees for first-class healthcare. Second, we have by far the largest number of middle to low-income communities and individuals in sub-Saharan Africa at least, who require affordable, high-quality healthcare. So there is a sound business case here. In any event, this is the 15th facility of the Reddington Group, so there must be some business sense in all of this. And in any event, the chairman, Yemi Osinbajo, is an Ijebu man. So if this didn't make sense, he certainly wouldn't be here. He'll be doing something else, trust me. Third is that with investments like this, seeking high-quality medical personnel, we can even reverse the trend of doctors voting with their feet. And we've seen that, indeed, several doctors who are part of this the management of this facility are coming from different parts of the world. The reasons for voting with their feet are obvious: better remuneration, better facilities. But again, only serious private sector investment in high-quality healthcare services, offering top compensation for its personnel, could possibly create an attractive proposition to reverse the trend. So the only way by which we can ensure that people stay, obviously, is to reward their services. And I think that this is a good way to start. So here at Duchess, we celebrate the convergence of so many possibilities and such great promise. And I'm extremely proud to be a part of this phenomenal achievement and the great future that it portends not just for healthcare services in Nigeria, but also for the general business environment. If you can believe enough in our economy to invest in 15 different places, then certainly you must be doing something right, and there must be something right about the economy also. By the way, just looking at the ambience of the hotel, the well-appointed rooms, all en suite, and especially the cuisine. I saw what looked like a well-marinated lobster with lemon butter sauce, you know. This surely should be called the Duchess, definitely should be called the Duchess. I only hope you don't get people checking in before realizing that this is actually a hospital and not a hotel. So it is really my very great pleasure and privilege to officially commission the Duchess International Hospital to the glory of God and for the benefit of all Nigerians and those who may seek excellent health care from anywhere else in the world. God bless you. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Lagos, the second largest city in the continent of Africa and home to over 20 million people. Progressive, innovative, resilient. And now, the economic and financial capital of Nigeria achieves a new landmark with the arrival of the most advanced and visionary healthcare facility in West Africa. Welcome to the Duchess International Hospital, a state-of-the-art 100-bed fully en-suite hospital facility delivering a comprehensive range of primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare services across a wide variety of specialist and subspecialty areas. The hospital is situated in the heart of the Lagos mainland, within the residential and industrial suburb of Ikeja.
Here at the Duchess International, we combine excellence in healthcare with a unique experience of hospitality. Our services are very carefully positioned to solve the problem of access to affordable healthcare on behalf of local communities. We also provide a viable alternative to healthcare tourism for patients in Nigeria and across sub-Saharan Africa.
It's estimated that each year around 60,000 Nigerians spend an average of $20,000 per trip in search of healthcare infrastructure and specialist medical treatment abroad. Here at the Duchess International, our vision is to help reverse medical tourism by delivering the highest standards of care, using the most advanced technology and treatments to give our customers the fastest, most convenient access to the best medical expertise available anywhere in the world.
Our doctors, nurses and allied healthcare professionals are trained to the highest international standards. They offer diagnostic and treatment options in accordance with internationally accepted standards of evidence-based medical care.
This hospital, Duchess International Hospital, was conceived and the vision is to provide world-class medical care. The Nigerian patients are worth it. Nigerian patients are just as worthy as any other patients. If Americans and British people and Europeans and Asians can have world-class healthcare, Nigerians also should have as well.
Our vision at the Duchess International is to be Africa's favorite hospital, the continent's trusted international healthcare provider of choice. We're extremely careful to ensure our treatments are robust, delivered in safe and appropriate manner, and always in partnership with the patients.
Our delivery suites at the Duchess International Hospital Ikeja are amongst the best in the country and possibly elsewhere in the world. They are equipped with fetal monitors which are designed to monitor the progress of labor of every individual woman from the onset of labor to delivery.
The operations that we provide are things like removal of the gallbladder, laparoscopic cholecystectomy, being able to do hernias laparoscopically so that there's much less pain and faster recovery. Removing the appendix, which is quite a common operation, which can be done using keyhole surgery such that the patient, if done for instance early in the morning, can go home the same day. And that is a great improvement on what exists otherwise. We aim to provide a pleasurable environment for patients where they feel as they walk in the door that this is a place where they're going to get well.
We're extremely careful to ensure our treatments are robust, delivered in safe and appropriate manner, and always in partnership with the patients.
Our range of clinical activity includes medical and surgical subspecialties, maternal and child health, diagnostic and interventional radiology, integrated breast care and advanced sophisticated approaches to plastic surgery, gynecological conditions, and diseases affecting the prostate and kidneys. We have state-of-the-art facilities to support a wide variety of cardiac, neurosurgical, and vascular procedures.
The number one priority here at Duchess is the safety of our patients. And so we have a world-class facility. We have specialists who are competent and fully trained at a full operating complement here to assist and to take our patients through any procedure safely.
Apollo Hospital is the largest healthcare provider in Southeast Asia. And in terms of it's our indeed privilege to be affiliated with Duchess Hospital. So we are very confident, along with Apollo and Duchess, two powerful brands coming together, we can definitely provide impeccable quality of care which will be available within the reach element of each and every citizen of Nigeria. And that is something what we are aspiring to get into. The best of the quality of healthcare will be available under a single roof.
The Duchess International Hospital takes pride in its ethos as a learning organization. Its conferencing and virtual learning facilities are of the very highest standard. The 150-seater audio-visual learning environment, for example, has direct visual communication links to the operating theatres, the endoscopy suites and telemedicine facilities throughout the hospital.
Doctors, nurses and allied health professionals specifically trained in accident and emergency care are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to provide advanced emergency care services in a well-equipped environment with specialized facilities for resuscitation and acute care.
In the radiology department, we have MRI machine, CT machine, the mammography machine, we have ultrasound machine, digital X-ray, as well as DEXA. The MRI machine is a 1.5 Tesla MRI machine that is able to image all the body parts. We are able to do cardiac MRI, breast MRI, the brain, the spine, all the joints of the body.
At the Duchess International, we ensure that the most seriously ill and injured patients are cared for by our team of doctors, nurses, and highly trained medical professionals, specially trained in critical care. The dialysis centre is served by a team of specialist consultant nephrologists, highly trained specialised nurses, dialysis technicians, and ancillary staff. The Duchess Hospital Laboratory offers a variety of specialised tests, including blood chemistry, haematology, coagulation studies, microbiology, immunology, serology, and transfusion services. Samples are effectively processed and transported to the laboratory in a safe and effective manner.
During an endoscopy procedure, we take you through the consent procedure, explain what the procedure is. You are monitored and looked after by well-trained nurses, and the procedure is carried out in the best environment using the best equipment. Endoscopies which we perform here include gastroscopy, examination of the upper stomach and the bowel, and colonoscopy. We also perform ERCPs, which is a further specialist endoscopy procedure.
The Pediatrics and Neonatology Department provides a comprehensive patient care package for children from birth until 15 years of age, including vaccination services, well-being assessments, and treatment of minor and major illnesses. The service also provides inpatient services, outpatient clinics, including a 7-bed level 4 neonatal intensive care unit, pediatric intensive care unit, pediatric emergency care services.
Now, we're also mindful of the fact that children who are ill are apprehensive, especially when it comes to coming to hospital, which is the reason why we've created an environment that is child-friendly. They're going to come in here and see a playpen that will actually make them feel a lot more comfortable and makes the interaction with the doctor a lot seamless.
At Duchess International, we are so blessed and very lucky to have the well-trained, most trained, cardiologists, cardiothoracic surgeons, anesthesiologists, nurses, supporting staff, echocardiographers in this hospital. And may I say too, the new kids on the block now with this cardiac cath lab is that we can actually open and put the valve without opening the chest using this machine. So instead of opening the chest, it's going to take you about 8-9 days to leave the hospital. We do it the following day, you are out of the hospital. It's really, really amazing.
The Duchess Harley Street practice is located on the 6th floor of the hospital and provides a comprehensive range of subspecialty expertise, complemented by a cohort of visiting specialist consultants offering a uniquely enhanced clinical consultation and inpatient experience. This highly bespoke service is made up of 2 distinct elements, the Duchess Royal Suites and the London Royal Clinic, serving inpatient admissions and outpatient consultations, respectively. These well-appointed facilities provide a unique hospitality experience to our clients, offering a combination of outstanding patient care with the luxury of 5-star accommodation and privacy. Our very own on-site cafe offers an oasis of chill-out relaxation for staff, patients and relatives on the ground floor. The Duchess Cafe is a great environment for a lively chat or quick meeting over a cup of tea, or even to get some work done on your laptop while visiting a patient or relative.
We would like our legacy to be a legacy of trust. In order to build this trust, we have invested in strong governance, both clinically and administratively. We have engaged the best, most competent clinicians at home and abroad and created an enabling environment, both in terms of clinical care as well as technology, that allows them crucially to give of their best in the service of our patients.